Very good evening, friends. I am Nalakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel Smart Index Search. 4 days back, I released the indicator Tesla Time Machine. And also here, I am showing you how the Bank Nifty traded, how those levels, Tesla levels, acted as a guidance for our trade. I have applied Nalini Precision Engine here. These are the morning layers. 1 minute, I'll show you, disable everything and one by one I will enable. This one, this is Multi-Market Pro. So I have enabled Nalini Precision Engine with the rolling pivot and morning layers. These are the morning layers. Immediately around 9:18, these layers will be formed with the pivot 54,365, R1, R2, and S1, S2. This will be the guidance for the entire day. What happened in the market? Market gapped up from the previous day. If you see this, the price went up to, if I place this, I am taking the price note and fixing it, 54,569. We will not be knowing what is happening in the market because the price is above the pivot and the R1. There comes the intervention of the Tesla. Tesla numbers are very, very important. This is the previous day, very important closing 315 price level. Let me put this. The Tesla candle, time slot candle 315, 54,679, and Tesla low of that candle was 54,583. The market could not go even past this level. 54,500 and what is the low of this candle? 518. Let me 300. Let me take the magnet and let me take out this and put this level. 54,579. So when the market opened here, it was a trap actually. It was a trap and then it started collapsing. The Tesla number acted as the resistance. You know beforehand itself, this is the number. This is very important number. From where market had fallen down and it was a push up, not up to this level, it could not cross this. And the first Tesla number, this acted as a reference level and the market was a guidance for you. You can see through the Tesla numbers, 36. 36 comes around 9:55, 9:10 a.m. and then the energy flow is also there. Energy flow is down to the 369. Energy flow was receding. But at one point of time, there was a pullback, but it was below the pivot and it pulled up to 3.6. You can see the energy flow from 3 to 6. That's it. It could not extend. This is not a bull energy flow. And time slot, you see the time slot. With the time slot here confirmed around 11 to 136 and 108 are very, very important numbers. 11:15 to 11:30, the market started trading below the rolling pivot. It has become red. Gan Hilo has become magenta. The trend was confirmed and you could have so easily, this is the purple color is the rolling pivot of this Tesla indicator. So I have applied both the indicators. You can see time wise it has gone. Lastly 315, again the same closing level 300, completion of the cycle. 315 is the completion of the cycle, and market just while closing it has gone up above the 315. It has closed above the 315. We tomorrow how the cycle will start, we need to see. This is how you can trade. So suppose this is the straddle, we'll consider 54,365 is the straddle. Then we'll go and take the 54,400 put option. 400 put option, I am applying it. Just see. Let the Nalini Precision Engine load. Morning. Since the morning, the price went up. What did the market do? It came down. It opened here. See the reference point. Tesla number. Tesla candle high was 571 and Tesla candle low was 535. The price moved above the pivot, Gann, Hilo, everything, and morning layer pivot, Nalini Precision Engine. So at one point of time around 72, that is 10:35, there was the energy flow was completed. You can see the energy flow moving higher. 3, 6, 9. Let me pick up another two. This is not good. Let me pick up this one. See, 3, 6, 9. That is the time slot. 10:30. The price, the energy flow came down. 3, 6. It did not extend beyond 3, 6, 9. That means it is in the uptrend. And finally, you can see price climbing up along the time slots, time machines. So that's how the market continued this put option. If you would have bought at 640, it has run up to 961. Yes, friends. I am taking the example of the Bank Nifty. Same way, Nifty also traded like that, and it was very clear. With the help of Nalini Precision Engine and also Tesla will give you idea what is going to happen. Time slots along the time machine, the market has run up, and this is the final close. 315 was this is the candle. The price has closed below the Tesla number. This put option price has closed below the Tesla number. Let us see what has happened to Bank Nifty. Let me put indices. Bank Nifty has closed around Tesla number. Yes, 350. There was a last minute pullback. Yes, friends, in this way, you can trade with conviction along with the time machine as well as Nalini Precision Engine. This is how you can see. I'll show how the Nifty also showed the movement. You will not be on the wrong trade. Let me go to the indices. Let me put Nifty. And it was, straddle was 315 was here. 315 candle low was here. 73,751, it could not go. Along with the time machine, it started moving down. Then it is a confirmed, it is trading below the pivot. Nalini Precision morning engine, morning layers pivot. Then you are looking for the straddle is around 23,665. You could have gone for 23,700 put option. Let me go to the 23,700 put option. You can see here, this is also referring to Tesla number 315. The candle low, you mark it as a reference. And price came inside, could not go below that, and started trading above the Nalini Precision Engine pivot 118. Nalini morning layers will give you the price also here. 89, 54, 118, 153, and 162. You can see how along with the price move and rolling pivot throughout yellow color, green, and the Gann Hilo and the moving average supporting along the time cycle market is moving higher. So it finally went up to 322 from, you can see over here, from this level, from 126. Suppose if you would have taken position around 100 or 194, you could have ended up in profit again during, that is the time slot, friends. Actually 108 and 135, they are important time slot. At that time, even this put is coming down means the Nifty might have pulled up. So here this time slot 118 and 135, from 118 to 135, the market has climbed. You could have entered into this call put option, keeping the stop loss 149. You can see how the pivot is supporting it. You could have entered it 145. You are not bothered once you enter. When the pivot is supporting, everything time slots are supporting, and you can see the energy flow is towards the 369. Don't worry. When correcting, the energy flow is stagnating, that is indicating the compression. 3 to 3 energy is compressed along with the time slot. Here the time slot, 2 time slots are coming, 182 and 218. The price had compressed and the energy also compressed, and finally the price started moving above this time slot. This time slot, you can see here 182, and it is going up. You can, this is a confirmed move. So the market behavior is like that. It goes up and it consolidates. See, it consolidated within the time slot, and notice the energy flow 3633. It is not expanding, right? When it is not expanding, this is the compression which is going up, and once it is completed, you can see the final stage. It is a blast 3-6, end of the cycle. Here also same thing happened. After that, coming down, and this is final 3669. Then you are already 315. The closing completion of the cycle is coming, then you are closing your position. You are not going to trade this. That's it. It came down. It went up to 303, and also it has gone up to 323. Don't worry about 323. You are closing here. When the exhaustion comes, 369. It is plotting on your chart. Energy flow, it is the summit. It is the release of final energy. Okay, friends, this is how, with the help of my Nalini Precision and the new indicator, Nalini Time Machine Pro 369 energy flow, multi-market. This indicator can be shifted to, this is Indian market. I can shift it to US equities also, commodities also, Forex, Bitcoin, because Bitcoin runs 24 hours. So I wanted time machine to time slots to come for my, even for the cryptos also, I've coded for this. So like that, Tesla time windows, along with the Nalini precision engine, gives you edge in your trading, no confusion. You will be trading better. Thank you very much, friends. That's how today's trade panned out. And the combination of these two indicators are superb. If you want to access my indicator, you can message me. These are all paid indicators. You can message me on this number 9845209600 for all the details. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.